the Lord.
The waters, the open me, under the storm, just like you will mine. If I just remember that He lives deep inside, so why should I worry? Why should I fear when the best can His days always live? He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. Read in the Bible how He walked with thee from light to the darkness when the way goes so deep. How great it would be to have His step leading mine and to walk with the Master all of the time. So when triumphs come and it seems so nigh, I just search for the Master. He said it'll be there on time. And when I'm in trouble and my body is in pain, all I have to do is call on His name. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, He stays always near? He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, His days always live? He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, His days always live? He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, His days always live? He lives in our heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, His days always live? He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear when the very same Jesus, His days always live? He lives in my Call on His name till the storm passes by.
O minamahal sa amin.